Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see practice 1 of decimals. Okay. Express the colored parts as a fraction and as a decimal. So we have to express colored parts. Okay. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is there. One fraction is 8 by 10. How to convert this as a decimal? So 0.8. Okay. Next. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 10. 0.4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 10. 0.5. Next, shade the parts according to the decimal given. 0.3. 0.3 means 3 by 10, right? 3 by 10. So we have to color 3. Do it in a color pencil, okay? I just colored it in a pen. 0.8. How to do this? 8 by 10. So we have to color 8. Zero 0.6. Next, 6 by 10. So we have to color 6. Understood? Next, write each fractions as decimals. We have to convert this fraction as a decimal. Yesterday only I told you how to convert this. Okay. 2 divided 2 by 10. So 2 is smaller than 10, right? So first you have to put 0 decimal 2. Okay, 0.2. Next, 9 by 10, 0.9. 4 by 10, 0.4. 7 by 10, 0.7. 5, 2 by 10. Here, this is mixed fraction. 5 is a whole. Don't change that. Okay. 5. 2 by 10. We have to convert this as a decimal. 2 by 10. How to write 2 by 10? 2 by 10 is a 0.2 actually. But 0 is a whole, right? 0 is whole number and 2 is tens place decimals, right? So whole already it's there. What? 5. So answer is, instead of 0 we have to write 5. 5.2, right? In the same way this 3 1 by 10. 3 we have to write whole number. 1 by 10, how to do 1 by 10? 0.1, right? So instead of 0 we have to write 3.1. Okay, next 12, 5 by 10. Write the whole number. Then we have to convert this into a decimal. 5 by 10, 0.5. So 0.5, this instead of 0 we have to write 12.5. Next 21, convert this 0.8, 21.8. Okay, understood? Next, fill in the place value chart. Yesterday I told you how to do a place value chart, right? 0.5. So this is a tenths place. Point after point there's a tenths place. Before point only there's a whole number. You know whole number. 0, whole number, ones, tens, 100, everything comes. Okay. So 0.5. 0 is in ones place. 0.5 is in tens place. Okay. Next, 2 by 8. 2 is ones place. 8 is tens place. 15 by 6. 15. 5 is ones place. 1 is tens place. 0.16. 31.4. 1 is ones place. 3 is tens place. 0.4. Understood? This is about the tenths. Okay? Tomorrow we will see hundreds of the decimal. Okay? Thank you.